If you are using WhatsApp application and for some reason if you want to delete your WhatsApp account permanently, then what is the correct way to do that? I am going to explain each and everything in this video. So if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. So if you're thinking that uninstalling WhatsApp application will automatically delete your account, then you are wrong, because uninstalling the application will only remove the app from your device. It will not delete your WhatsApp account. So in order to delete your account, you need to open WhatsApp application first. Once you open WhatsApp application, you get multiple things on the home screen, but we have to go in settings. So for that, select this three dot option on the right hand side top corner and then select settings option. Once you select settings, you are on this particular page. Now there are multiple options like account, privacy, avatar, chats, notification, and etc. So we have to go in account option. And once we go in account option, again you get multiple options over here. So if you want to just change your number, if you want to activate WhatsApp on your other number, you have change number option over here. But if you want to delete your account, you have delete account option over here at the bottom. So select delete account and then we are on the next page. Now over here you get some basic information that deleting your account will also do all these things. So the account will be deleted from all your devices, your message history will be erased, and you will be removed from all the WhatsApp groups. Your payment info will also be deleted, and if you have created any channel or something, that channel will also deleted. So you can read this, and if you want to still delete your account, you can go down and over here you can enter your number for which you want to delete your account. Make sure you have selected the country so that the country code will be here. So enter the number. Once you enter the number, after that select delete account and we are on the next page. Now on this page, they will basically ask you that what is the reason you are deleting your account. So you can select this drop down and you can select the reason which are already given over here. And if you have some other reason which is not mentioned over here, so you can select other option and then you can just enter what is the reason if you want to. Now this is optional, so I'm not going to enter anything, but if you want to enter, you can do that. So after selecting the reason, just simply select delete account. Now again you will get a pop-up screen like this. So if you want to proceed to delete your account, you can just delete account. If you want, if you have changed your mind, you don't want to delete it, you can go back. But I want to delete it. So select this delete account option and within few seconds, it will take you back to the welcome page. Now we have successfully deleted our WhatsApp account permanently. If you want to, start your WhatsApp account on the same number again, you can just simply select agree and continue. You can enter the phone number and you can just simply, log in into your WhatsApp account again. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. This was the easiest way to delete your WhatsApp account permanently. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.